Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is day 14 and today I'm gonna talk about enumerations. Okay guys, so let's jump on the topic and let's start with the enumerations. Okay guys. So guys, enumeration is what? If I say enumeration is a custom defined data type, then it should not be wrong. Okay. So enumeration is a special kind of data type basically, and we can say it is a collection of interrelated values. Okay. So basically it is a group of related values, like let's say if I say a enumeration of type direction, then this direction may have four possible values. Okay, east, west, north, south. And if you want to give another values like east, west, or whatever like, east, north, northeast, or southwest, if you want to give like these values, then you can give the directions. Okay, so that my concern is what, guys? My concern is to tell you or to understand the enumeration, why we need to use the enumeration. So if you are having some predefined values, okay, means if you are having some predefined values and those predefined values are related to a particular group, then we can define a enumeration. I hope clear to all of you what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so let's understand by example. Okay, so let me go on our playground. So guys, this is day 14 playground, and let me create a enumeration. Okay, to create the enumeration you will use a keyword, that is enum keyword. Okay, so let me define the enum keyword, and after that you will give your what, guys, you will give your enum name. Okay, let's say my enum is direction. Okay, and what are the possible values of the direction you can define in the cases. Okay, so first is like east, west, north, and south. So guys, basically I having total four values. Okay, of kind direction, and that is what, east, west, north, and south. So these are the values. Okay, let's say we have a variable, and this variable name is main direction. Okay, and this main direction is a kind of direction. Okay, so we are defining a main direction, and that main direction is a type of direction, means it can store only east, west, north, south kind of values. Okay, so I want to give the value as west. Okay, so how we can initialize? Just write the enumeration name and then dot, and then you can give your value which you want to give. Okay, so let's say I want to give the west, then I can initialize the west like this. Okay, so if the man direction is east, then I want to print man in east. Okay, if the man direction is west, then I can say man is in west. Okay, so in this way I want to print the statement and I want to make some condition. So how we can do that? Very simple. You will write switch statement, and on which you want to apply the switch, on the main direction. Okay, so this is the main direction, and you will define the cases here. So first case will be what, guys? The first case will be your maybe the value will be direction dot east. Okay, so you will write direction dot east. Okay, and here what I want to print, so I want to print man in east. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that another possibility is what, guys? Maybe west. Okay, so you will write case, and guys, instead of writing direction every time, you can just put dot west. Okay, why I'm putting dot west only? Why? Do you know, guys, why I'm putting only dot west? Because on which variable I want to put the switch case? On main direction. Okay, and main direction is having which kind of value? Direction. Okay, means the comparisons will be also based on direction. Okay, so that's why I am putting only dot west. Okay, so if you want to put the direction, then you can put direction also here. Okay, so I want to, in this case I want to print man in west. Okay, so let me write the statement here. So guys, as you can see, and in the same way you can write for north. Okay, so let me write, and in the same way you can put the south also. Okay, and within the default I don't want to put any statement, so I can put break statement. Okay, so okay, fine. So this is how you can use the enumeration. I hope clear to all of you what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and what is the use? Try to find out the real world usage of this enum. Okay, so let me give you some examples of the real world uses. Okay, so guys, you can use to define the colors which you are gonna use. Okay, let's say you are gonna use in your project, you are gonna use some special colors. Okay, those names are not predefined. So if you are having some hexadecimal values of colors, then you can give some name to those colors. Okay, so you can use the colors enumeration and you can give the name. Okay, and you can use the ice cream flavors. Okay, so if your application is related to ice cream kind of thing, then you can use ice cream flavors as a enum. Okay, and there are many more real life examples like login states, video player states. Okay, and etc. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now understand about what I'm trying to say here. Okay, now guys, with the enumeration you can give two kinds of values, and those values are associative values and the row values. Okay, so the associative values can be of different data type, but the row value will be of same data type. Okay, and so let's see the example. So before going on the example, if you are giving the associated value, okay, so those are created on the based off on constant or variable. Okay, where the row values are pre-populated. I hope clear to all of you. And if you it is declared, it is varies from when declared each time. Okay, so whenever you are going to assign enumeration value, then you can give the different values each time. Are you getting my point? So let's say if I'm assigning a direction dot north, so I can give value with north like 18 degree, and in after some time I can assign like north 27 degree. Means each time the associated value can be varied. Okay, where the row value will be fixed for each time. Okay, same will for each time. Okay, so let's take one example to understand what, guys, to understand our you know what, associative value. Okay, so let's say uh, with the east I want to give two kind of values. First will be our degree, so like how much degree or radians in east. Okay, we can pass. So the data type will be double. Okay, so let me pass the double here, and I want to pass like it is in degree or radians. I can pass here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I am passing this in the string form. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is called the associative value. Okay, so at the time of initialization, so let me initialize the value. So see how we can initialize east. So as you can see, guys, the east is asking about two kinds of values. Okay, first one is double, so let me give the 78.9, and the string I want to pass is dg. Okay, for degree. And at the time of comparison, now guys, you can retrieve the values like we are giving the direction. Okay, so if it is east, then I want two values here, like you can use let or where. Okay, in my case I'm going to use let. Okay, so let, and I can give the, you know what, measurement or MES. Okay, and next one is I can take degree or radian. Okay, so degree or radians. And guys, so you can use these values also in your this print statement. Okay, so let me use and dig your value. Okay guys, so this is what we call associative values, right? Okay, so you can pass also here. In this case I want to pass the int and string. Okay, so you can define the different variables, clear, but the values you will give at the time of initialization or the declaration, right? So guys, as you can see, this is how we can use. So let's run it. So as you can see guys, man in east 78.9 degree. Okay, so if you want to change the values, then you can change also here. Okay, so I have clear to all of you what I'm trying to say here. So this is what associative values. Clear guys. So let me comment it out. Okay, and guys, let's understand about our row values. Okay, so row values are what guys? These are the fixed values. Okay, so at the time of creation of enum we gives the value, and this is the same for each case. Okay, each declaration. So let's say if I'm giving where my string, okay, and my string is what guys? Let's say my string is this is my string with new line. Okay, and before this new line I want to use a sky character. Okay, so let me use this enum, and the enum having three values, so let me use the line fade. Okay, so this will give me a slash n, and because of slash n this part will become in the next line. Okay, so let's print out. So guys, we need to extract the row values. Okay, right here we need to extract the row values actually. So I don't think this will give the, okay, so it is printing the line feed once again, right? So give me the row value. Okay, so I want the row value actually of the line feed, so I will write the dot row value. So as you can see guys, it is giving me the row value. So row value is slash n, and you know the slash n is the escape character, so it is going to give the new line. I have cleared all of it. So this is what all about our enumeration. So if you are having any issue related to enumeration, then you can comment in the comment section. You can ask from me. I will try to resolve all the queries. Okay guys, so if you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you in the next video.